from my second floor window.
I still wonder how, yeah, you always make it right. And maybe it's all chance, but either way, you showed me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. 'Cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself. Yeah.
Yes! That was epic!
Yeah. I've tried so hard, stumbling in the dark, to learn how to see what you already saw. You're the one to blame for the fact that I can reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. Even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah. Ooh, we're sailing on across an open sea that's anxious so calm. But I know now, either way, it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah. 'Cause you showed the way.
Yeah, I'm Wiley. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
I'm their teacher.
Yeah.
We've been, also their soccer coach, and yeah, that's all that needs to be said. Let's get after it.
And then we have Miss Dina. My point of contact. Possible. Anything's possible. You want to lay folks?
Yes.
All right. Hey, we got this. All right. All right. Let's go get goal. All right. A lot of teamwork. A lot of teamwork. A lot of teamwork.
Oh, ladies. Hi, guys. We're almost there. I'm documenting for all the fellows. They're tracking us right now. Oh, yes. Because you guys are so amazing. And yes, Gulnada's in the front. Yes, exactly.
Yes. You are best, and just how can I say? I've learned so many things from you. Really? Thank you. Yeah, especially the culture. There's just a new experience, just a new knowledge, and just you are best teacher in my life. Just I love you.
Thank you. Love you back.
Hi.
Horizon. Nukus, horizon. Go.
Самые лучшие.
Hey, my amazing Uzbek and Russian students. I just want to tell you as I'm walking through the streets of Nukus, and we are coming to the last day of school. Remember the first day, we said this is not a sprint but a marathon, and you reached the end of the marathon this year. So I want to say congratulations. But most of all, I want to say how grateful I am for each one of you. And I will never forget each and every moment we spent together this school year. You mean the world to me, and I will take you with me wherever I go in this world, because you are amazing. And I believe in each one of you that you will impact this world. You will change this region. You will make things better. And never forget that I'm always here for you and with you, okay? So congratulations again on a great year. Memories that I will take with me forever, and I hope same for you. And you did it!